Hey babes, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new, kindly subscribe, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for supporting me and subscribing to my channel. Please don't forget to like, comment and share. So today's video is on a very simple makeup look. First of all, we're starting off by using our SPF, and you guys know already how important SPF is, especially when you have to go out to places where there is sun. So I'm applying my SPF and I'm using my fingers to blend that into my skin, and after that I'll be applying my foundation. So here I've applied foundation on my skin, and I'll be using a swiping motion to distribute the product and a patting motion to blend that into my skin. The patting motion ensures a smooth finish, and that's why I'm using the patting motion to blend into my skin. So here I'm applying concealer. I'm using as little as possible, and I'm applying that under my eyes, and after that I'll use my setting spray to go over it and use my beauty blender to blend out everything. Since we're going for a very simple look, we're going to be using this very light shade of pink as our eyeshadow. So here I'm using my setting powder to set the areas where I apply the concealer, and I'm using little of that to apply under my eyes, exactly where I apply the concealer. So here I'm applying my eyeliner, and after that I'll be applying my mascara. So if you've been following my makeup videos, you'll notice that I don't wear lashes except I really have to, because most times when I wear lashes, my eyes just start staring and my eyes are very sensitive, so I just stick to using just mascara. So after the mascara, I'm using this brow pencil. I'm using it to outline the lines of my brows, and I'm going to use it to fill in my brows subtly, and later on I'm going to use my brow gel to even that out so everything looks natural and nice. So I'm dusting off the excess powder I applied earlier, and I'm also going to set the rest of my face off camera. So this is me using the brow gel to just kind of make everything look good and all that. So I'm doing a little bit of contouring on my nose, and I'm using this flat brush to brush out everything and blend everything in. So this is me using highlighter. I think this highlighter shade is very light, but I've always had it, so I just decided to use it today. And I'm using this small brush to brush it out, and it doesn't look bad. I'm using my setting spray to go over my makeup, and I'm using my brush to pat everything down, and this kind of ensures a soft and smooth finish. And you can see the way it's looking, like everything just melts in and it's giving this cute girl vibe. So finally, I'm using my lip liner, which is actually an eye pencil. I'm using it to line the perimeters of my lips, and after that I'm going to go in with a contour shade for the upper part of my lips, and I'm going to finally go in with my clear lip gloss. So guys, this is the final look. Very simple, something you can wear out in the evening, you can also wear to work. So thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment and share, and also turn on post notification. If you're yet to subscribe, kindly subscribe. See you on my next video.